Here is a quick demo of the recent DynamoDB streams work that we did along with acceleration snapshots. So here I have a pretty simple table with a primary key and secondary key, and notice that other columns, they are not shared between the rows. So here is a pretty simple SpiceBot configuration. Here we define DynamoDB connector, and here's how we define using DynamoDB streams. Also notice this configuration. Basically, once we create a column which defines this JSON object with this value, it means that all columns not explicitly mentioned here will be nested under this single column. So let's see what happens when we start this. So immediately we see that the SpiceBot started the table bootstrapping. It found 3 tables, and now it subscribed to the DynamoDB streams. So let's see what we have here. So as expected, all columns that are beyond primary key and secondary key are nested under JSON data. So now if we create some other row, we will immediately see it here. So this is pretty simple setup. Now let's see what happens when we enable snapshots. So that's all it takes to enable snapshots. Here we define the snapshot configuration, the location, the authentication, and here's in the acceleration we enable snapshots, and we also say that we want to create snapshots every 5 seconds. So let's see what happens when we start this SpiceBot. So here we see it says that the snapshots will be created every 5 seconds. Now, and we see these snapshots being created. So here's what's interesting. So let's stop it and let's delete the local acceleration. And now let's add some value to make sure that this value won't be lost. And let's skip any custom columns. So now we have no local acceleration, and let's start and see what's happening. So we immediately see that the snapshot was downloaded, and after that the existing checkpoint was found, and so we subscribe to DynamoDB streams, and the moment the log reaches 2 seconds, this table will be marked as ready. So let's see what we have in this table. We have exactly what we expected to see, all previous values that were part of the snapshot, and now this new value that we added while Spice was not running. And that's pretty much it. Thank you.